Hey, do you want to mirror your Android phone screen on your Mac? While macOS doesn't support this natively and many apps are either expensive or unreliable, I have got a free open source solution that I have personally used for over 4 years and it works amazingly well. Let me show you how to set this up. First, you need Homebrew. Head over to brew.sh in your browser, copy the installation command, paste it in your terminal and let's install it and let it install. Next, we install two tools. In terminal, enter this command brew install Scrcpy. Second, brew install Android-platform-tools. Wait for each installation to complete. Now let's set up your Android phone. Connect your phone to your Mac with USB cable. Enable USB debugging on your phone by going to settings, about phone, finding build number and tapping it 7 times. Enter your passcode if needed. Go back to settings, search for USB debugging and enable it. That's it. From now on, just connect your phone to your Mac and type Scrcpy in your terminal to start mirroring your screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more tips. Thanks for watching.